Let's open up one of these classrooms. So I'm going to open up the training classroom here. Now let's look at this interface. Now I'm logged in as a teacher, so I see the stream, classwork, people and marks. They all have different purposes. You can also look at the class code here. By clicking on this, will display the class code, so when students are joining the class, they can click this. You can also copy the link or display it full screen. It also tells you whether there's anything new upcoming. As a teacher, we can customize our banner by clicking on the Customize button. We will explore this further in the next video. And the information button displays the class information. Here is your stream. Now this is where you can announce something to the class. It's important that you use this as exactly that, as an announcement to the class, and not post assignments in this area. So if I want to announce something, I can click on it. I can ask who I want to announce it to, so I can be specific on the students that I want to announce it to. At the moment, there's no students in my class, so I can just announce it to all students. Announce something here. I can attach to the announcement by looking at links, uploading a file, a YouTube video, or something from your Google Drive. Then what I can do is I can click on either post, or I can schedule it to post at a certain time or save it as a draft and come back to it later. I'm going to cancel this for now. In classwork, this is where you will see all the assignments that you've assigned to the students. People, this will show you all the students and the teachers that have access to this classroom. And at the bottom here, you have the opportunity to invite students, and you can invite them via the class link by sending them the class link, or you can type in their usernames here and then invite them that way. Marks, this is going to list all the marks that you've got for that particular classroom. On the right here, you have your settings. This will allow you to change some of the settings on that particular classroom. We will go through this in a separate video. At the bottom here, there is a question mark. You can click that question mark and you can report any issues or requests that you might want for Google Classroom. This is something that's really useful if there's something that you feel that Google Classroom doesn't do but would like it to be included in the next version of Google Classroom.